So, backing up, you guys. I'm Ralph and Landon. Here's Michigan Shore Railroad right now. There he is going into the West Y, heading to North Y, which is this direction right down around the curve. Here's North Y. Michigan Shore is 2 engines, 2170s leading, 2019s trailing. There he is right now. There he is. Right there. There he is. There's a bunch of web chemical cars, I'm assuming loaded. And then he also has a bunch of sand cars and more tank cars behind him. There he is right now. There he is. Goes toot. Right there. That's pretty cool. Bunch of 3 tank cars. Never did tank cars for me. 6 tank cars and 3 sand cars right there. Slows down, speeds up on the way through, but yeah. 3 sand cars and the rest of these are web chemical tank cars. There's and there it goes right now, and there it goes. That's so slowly. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Ralph and Landon, Ralph and Landon out. Sup, backing up, you guys. I'm Ralph and Landon. Here's Michigan Shore right now, one more time. Here he is. And 2019. Nine cars in today's short MSR train, like we usual. 9 cars. There's Ann right there, and there it goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I am Ralph and Landon, Ralph and Landon out.